I've been in this custom mechanical keyboard scene for a few months now, and one name always pops up when I'm building mechanical keyboards, and the name is Cherry. So today I'm very happy to announce that I'm collaborating with Cherry Malaysia and Fusion Tech Supply in this video to bring you guys a review on one of their keyboards. Today the keyboard they sent me is the Cherry G80-3000s TKL RGB right here. Very thankful for them for sending this over. So basically today in this video we'll be going over Cherry and their company and this keyboard. So without further ado, let's get this video started. So, all of you may know that the name Cherry always pops up when you're looking for keycaps, steps, and even more stuff when modding your mechanical keyboard. We've all heard about the Cherry profile keycaps, Cherry style stamps, Cherry style switches, and even Cherry stabilizers being thrown around when building a mechanical keyboard. So, Cherry is actually a German company with 65 years of German engineering experience, and their new MX switches can last up to 100 million clicks, which is much more than the market standard of 60 to 80 million clicks. All of the switches that Cherry makes are straight from Germany and they are all manufactured in Germany. One thing I really like about the Cherry MX switches is their gold crosspoint technology. This technology ensures a smooth gaming experience with no mistypes or misinputs, which is really nice in my opinion. So this keyboard right here, the G80-3000s, is actually paying homage to the original G80 released by Cherry in 1988. It was a really revolutionary keyboard that actually inspired a lot of the mechanical keyboards we are using now. This keyboard right here, of course, is the more modern and advanced version I have. It's the TKL version, meaning that there is no numpad on the right side and it's a more compact 75% layout. After using it for a few days, I would say that I don't really realize that it's a plastic build. I don't really mind it because it's a really nice plastic build. There are no creaks and sounds like a plastic keyboard would have, and it feels really high quality in my opinion. So on the back of the keyboard, there's actually 2 feet which you can open up if you want to have a more inclined height when typing and gaming, or you can just close it and use it all flat all the way down. So the design of this keyboard is actually really nice. All the corners are rounded and there's a slight edge going downwards to the bottom of the keyboard, which gives your palms a very nice place to rest on. Even the switches that they gave me in this keyboard are the newer switches. They are the MX Red silent switches, which are basically the red linear switches but silent for noiseless typing and a gaming experience without any sounds. They're really smooth in my opinion from using them, but people may not like the feel because you don't really have a mechanical switch feel to it and it feels like a membrane keyboard sometimes. Another thing I really like about this keyboard is that the stabilizers included right here, which are the stock stereo steps, are super smooth, and when you're pressing down on them, which you guys will hear in the typing sound test, there is no rattling at all. So the keyboard has a really standard TKL layout, meaning that the out function and control are actually 1.25U and not the small 1U you see on newer compact keyboards nowadays. So if you're looking for keycaps to actually mod this keyboard with, it's really easy to find. You just need to find the standard layout. So one thing I really like about this keyboard is this special key right here. We can call it the Cherry key. So if you hold it down for 3 seconds, it actually launches the software app called the Cherry Utility software. And this software is really nice. You can configure your keyboards and even any peripherals that you got from Cherry. So this keyboard actually retails for only 239 ringgit for the non-backlit version, meaning that there is no RGB, and of course 309 ringgit for the RGB version I have right here. So for the RGB model, as the one I have here, it has ABS double shot shine through keycaps for the RGB. Some of you might be worried that the ABS keycaps might shine after use or they are considered inferior to PBT, but Cherry actually goes through a UV light process to actually make sure that these Cherry keycaps right here that are ABS won't have shine and will be very durable in long terms of use. But the non-backlit version will actually come with PBT keycaps for a more retro feel. With all of that out of the way, we can now move on to the typing sound test. So after the sound test, you can actually hear that this keyboard sounds very nice, especially with the stock Cherry stabilizers. Honestly, you don't need to mod this keyboard at all. So after using this keyboard for a few days, I have gathered my thoughts, and these are the things I have to say about it. First of all, the layout is very nice with the TKL compact layout. So if you're looking for a more compact design and you want a great keyboard that works out of the box without any modding and stuff, and you want to use it for gaming or some office work, this is definitely a great buy at around 200 to 300 ringgit depending on the variant you get. And honestly, the slogan of their company, no gimmicks, just quality, really stands out. When first using it, to the user experience and to even the software in the computer, it's a really nice experience, and honestly, it's a great keyboard to use. But if you want to mod it and you're into modding, this is not the keyboard to get because it's not hot swappable and you can't really change out anything except for the keycaps. And another thing I want to mention is that Cherry Malaysia is currently running a campaign where they are giving back to buyers. So if you bought any keyboard from the 1st of December to 31st of December from them, you stand a chance to win another additional keyboard. So that is it for this video, guys. I want to say a huge thank you to Kelvin from Fusion Tech Supply and Cherry Malaysia for giving me this opportunity to review their keyboard. And as always, thanks for watching. Leave a like if you like this video, dislike this video if you didn't like it, subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I have more tech videos coming very soon. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye, guys.